Gina.
Hi, Evan. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. You know, I just get a mysterious task. Do you want to join me?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
What is your Christmas wish?
Actually, I got lots of wish, but as you know, hair care is a very important thing in daily life for girls.
Yeah.
So I wish that I could receive a gift that such like a hair conditioner,
Wow.
which can make my hair smooth and stunning.
Hi, Amber.
Hi, Evan.
What gift do you want for Christmas?
The best gift I can imagine is a photo collection. I would like to print the cherished pictures, like my families and friends.
圣诞我觉得还是保留一份惊喜吧，然后不管送我什么，我都会很开心的。
我是一个艺术工作者，我希望收到一份和自己气质相关的礼物。
For this Christmas, I wish to have a gift that can warm me in this winter.
我希望的话会跟茶有关吧，因为平时我是一个人喝茶的，但是感觉一个人喝茶的话会少一点感觉。我希望就是可以把喝茶那种快乐吧，就是分享给大家，所以我希望呢，你收到的礼物就是跟茶有关的，然后又可以分享给大家的东西。
Lopo's vision is to make life memorable. I think this gift is not special, so I would like to make a personalized design for it. Let's go!
Is coming to an end and the new year is coming. In the new year, I hope my family, my friends, my colleagues will stay safe and enjoy life, enjoy happiness. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
I wish 2023 to be a more pleasant year. All my families and friends can be healthy and happy.
I wish you and all of your family and friends Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas! In this new year, I got only one wish. I hope that everyone peace, love, and health for everybody. Thank you.
It's April here, and I hope the epidemic will end soon, and everyone can enjoy their life. And let's stay safe and stay happy.
非常开心能收到这期的圣诞礼物，然后在往后的日子里，希望大家身体都能健健康康的。现在我准备去分享我的快乐。